Cheers! So this time we craft a log cabin. Built with the thought to expand it with more walls and floors and to be able to mold and cast it in the future. And in this video I show you how to craft these two walls. So we start off with cutting the walls and the floor in the desired size. Paint the different measurements for help and reminder during the craft. Here I paint the height of the dado. When the looks and measures on the wall is decided, it's time for the logs to be cut with axe. Measure and cut the log in half and save different length on the ends for better and more natural look, if that is desired. There is a few ways to craft a chimney. You can carve it or build it with bricks. Here I test to carve the styrofoam with different tools. And in the end I decided carved random sized stone is the best look for a chimney in a medieval handcrafted log cabin out in the woods. Keep on working that timber, there will be a few, and don't forget to weathering them down. As you can see, I already carved out a bit on the outside of the logs so I can glue the plugs on place. Make them in various sizes for best natural look. It's quite tedious, so I recommend you to put on that movie. You know, the movie you haven't got around to see yet, while you're doing this. This is a dado made of 2mm balsa that I carved some boards and tree veins in. Here I leave a few millimeters on the foam board so there is space for the upper wall to attach to. Every log cabin needs a few beams to hold it together. A few flat rocks for the fireplace to stand on. A shelf for the fireplace. Push in the matches for the shelf to rest on. Sand, Small stones and sawdust is a good substitute for ashes and coal. To make the fire hollow for the LED diodes, build it up with the glue gun on a pen wrapped up in baking paper. Here is where the other wall will connect. The hole is so LED diodes can be put in even after a mold and cast it. The chimney is loose to make it easier to cast and open up the possibility to change it for another look. And of course a piece of firewood. There it is, the two walls so far. The cabin will get the stone ground to sit on, so there will be a few changes or additions on these walls later on the craft, and that will be recorded as well. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next part of the Hunter's Cabin. And with that said, as always, bear on and craft.